Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Wisnu. In this video, I will continue about anti-channel again. Previously, we have discussed networking model, and in this video, I will discuss IP address and subnetting. Okay, here some things that we'll discuss, namely first is IP address and subnetting introduction. Next, IP public and IP private, and classful and class addressing, subnetting cache, block subnet concept, and last is switch and router concept. Okay, to the first one is IP address and subnetting introduction. IP address and subnetting introduction: when a device wants to connect to another device, either using wire or wireless, of course, it requires a name identity on each device. This identity is called an IP address. And for subnetting is an effort or process to break down a network with a large number of hosts into several networks. With fewer hosts, the subnetting technique makes network scale wider and is not limited by the IP classes A, B, and C that have been set. Okay, next for IP address public. In short, public IP is an IP that is used on the internet and can be accessed from anywhere. So, for example, if you access facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on, then unknowingly you are accessing each of their public IPs, as long as your device is connected to the internet. And for the IP address private IP address are typically used within local networks and cannot be accessed directly from the internet. This is an important part of concept known as network address translation, or NAT, which allow multiple devices on a local network to use a single public IP address to communicate with the internet. Next, for classful and classes addressing, this P address and function is for class A, start from this, and used for large network, SPS, big organization, and for class B is start 100 to 28. So yes, to host used for medium networks, universities, large company, and for class C start from 192. Yeah, and it is used for small networks, local networks, home. And for class D is used for multicasting, and for class A is used for research and development. And for private and public private IP address used in local area networks, LANs, not accessible from the internet, can be reused in different networks. And for the example is yeah. And for the public IP address used on the internet, accessible from anywhere on the internet, must be unique and cannot be reversed, and assigned by Internet Service Provider (ISPs) or other authorized organization. Next, for subnetting cache. For subnetting cache 1, 2, 3, and cache 1 dividing the network into two subnet. Network IP address is start from this, subnet mask for this, and number of subnet is 2, and number of hosts per subnet is 128. And for cache 2, dividing the network into 4 subnet, network IP address using this, and subnet mask using this of 26, and number of subnets is 4, and number of hosts per subnet is 16.4. And for cache 3, dividing the network into 8 subnets, network IP address using this, and subnet mask using this, and number of subnets is 8, number of hosts per subnet is 32. And next, for block subnet concept, subnet concept is a method for dividing a network into smaller organized subnets. And how it works: first, determine the required number of subnets and hosts, and two, calculate the number of bits needed to allocate IP address, and next create subnet block and allocate IP address. Advantage increase flexibility and efficiency in allocating IP address, makes the network more organized. An example, suppose we have a network with IP address 192.168.198.1.0.24 and want to divide it into 4 subnets with 16 4 hosts each, and the result is this. Next, for IPv4 delivery type, IPv4 has several types of delivery type that determine how data packets are delivered to their destination. Here are some types of IPv4 delivery type. For one is unicast. Unicast is the most common delivery type where data packets are sent to a single specific destination. And broadcast. Broadcast is the delivery type where data packets are sent to all devices on the same network. And the multicast is a delivery type where data packets are sent to multiple specific destinations that are part of multicast group. And anycast is a delivery type where data packets are sent to one of multiple specific destinations that are part of an anycast group. And geocache is a delivery type where data packets are sent to all devices in a specific geographic location. And for unspecified is a delivery type that is not specific and is not used in practice. And next is switch and router switch and router concept. Switch is connect device within a local area network or LAN, ya. Operators on data link layer, two layer of the UC model, and function is connect device, forward data, manage data traffic. And the router is connect multiple different network. Operator on the network layer is three, yeah, of the OC model. Function, connect network, forward data, manage data routing. And for key different OC layers is switch layer 2 and router is 3 layer. Function, switch, connect device, router, connect networks. Okay, maybe all this I can explain to you. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.